Did you know it's possible to gain access to the world's most powerful affiliate marketing platform, Master Affiliate Profits, and lower the income tax you'd normally pay by hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars? That's right. If you'd like to pay less in taxes and earn more money in the process, keep watching. As Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, once said, "The richest people in the world build businesses to reduce their taxes. Everyone else pays taxes to build the government." This is exactly why treating your Master Affiliate Profits venture as a business is so powerful. It's not just about earning income, it's about keeping more of what you earn. You're in the right place. Keep watching to learn how you can make it happen, starting today. In just a moment, you'll uncover a free competitive advantage revealed exclusively in this video. This information is so powerful that by the end of this video, you'll realize that investing in Master Affiliate Profits doesn't just make you money. It starts putting more money into your bank account before you make your first sale. Have you ever wondered how to put more money back into your bank account while running a home-based business? What if I told you there's a way to do it faster than you might think? Today, we're diving into the second fastest way to boost your bank account, by leveraging tax deductions. And who better to guide us than business consultant and tax savings expert, Mr. Dory O'Neill. Dory is a seasoned business consultant who specializes in helping home-based business owners maximize their profits. With years of experience, he's become a go-to resource for entrepreneurs looking to save money and grow their businesses. In this video, we'll explore how Dory's expertise can help you unlock hundreds of tax deductions you might not even know exist, especially if you're part of the Master Affiliate Profits program. If you have a traditional job, your tax deductions are limited. By joining MAP, you can deduct expenses related to your MAP business, such as mobile phone, internet access, advertising, travel, and much more. Wouldn't you prefer having those tax savings in your bank account instead of the government's? Many people join Master Affiliate Profits with big dreams of financial freedom, but here's the thing. Most of them overlook one of the most powerful tools available to them: tax deductions. That's where Dory O'Neill comes in. By joining his Master Affiliate Profits team, you gain access to his invaluable resource, Dory's Guide, Tax Deductions for Home-Based Business Owners. This guide is packed with actionable insights to help you keep more of your hard-earned money. Dory's Tax Deductions for Home-Based Business Owners provides general information on tax benefits. It's important to check with your accountant and local regulations for specific advice. Here's the key. You need to treat your Master Affiliate Profits venture like a business. Why? Because when you do, you unlock a world of tax-deductible expenses. Think about it: your membership fees, tools like Aweber for email marketing, even a portion of your internet bill can all be written off. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Dory's comprehensive guide lists hundreds of deductions you might not even be aware of. Let's break it down with some real-world examples. Imagine you're living in British Columbia, Canada, earning $60,000 a year. Without deductions, you'd pay approximately $12,210 in combined provincial and federal taxes. Now, let's say you're in California, earning the same amount. You'd pay around $13,252 in state and federal taxes. But here's the game changer. By treating your Master Affiliate Profits membership as a business and leveraging Dory's Guide, you can offset a significant portion of your MAP startup investment. Suddenly, those membership fees and tools don't just feel like expenses, they feel like investments. By joining Dory's team, you're not just getting access to his guide, you're gaining a partner who's dedicated to your success. Plus, you'll get free workshops, additional resources, and ongoing support to help you make the most of your business. Now add Dory O'Neill's $5,000 YouTube viral funnel bonus free live training workshops and you've got a real business with real support over and above what MAP offers at no extra cost to you. Imagine what you could do with those extra savings: reinvest in your business, take a vacation, or simply enjoy the peace of mind that comes with financial security. So, what are you waiting for? Start treating your Master Affiliate Profits venture like the business it is, and let Dory O'Neill show you how to keep more money in your pocket. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway. And if you're ready to take the next step, join Dory's Master Affiliate Profits team today and unlock the full potential of your home-based business. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to your finances, every deduction counts. If you like money, watch Dory's Master Affiliate Profits compensation video that's on the screen right now. Click the thumbnail and discover the game-changing benefits of the compensation plan. It's an industry best. Watch it now.